how to turn on or turn off block calls from unknown numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the phone application. In here, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. Next, in Call Settings, we go down and tap on Block Numbers. Next, tap on Block Calls from Unknown Numbers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is on, it will block calls from unknown numbers. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.